Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. Wishing each and everyone a very happy new year. Today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed chicken in an oven. So let's begin. This is 1 kg chicken which I have washed and drained out the water completely, and it's dried now. We will fork the chicken. This is done in order that the chicken marinates well. We will add our salt, ginger garlic paste, some pepper powder and some lime juice. I have marinated this chicken for 24 hours and kept it in the fridge. You can also marinate it for 1 to 2 hours. It all depends, but the more you marinate, the better it tastes. Now let's take a look at all the ingredients we will require for the filling. Now we will saute the cashew nuts in some oil. Then we will saute the raisins. Instead of bread pieces, I am adding some chopped potatoes. Once this is done, I'll fry my cold cuts, which is some salami and cocktails. I'm using some chicken liver and gizzard in this recipe, which I have boiled and kept separately. Once this is all fried, we will saute some chopped onions and ginger garlic in a pan. Once this is sauté well, we will add our green peas and our carrots. Then we will add our chopped tomatoes. We will add our chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Once it's nicely done, we will add our chicken liver. Add your salt as per taste. Mix well. Add your garam masala and pepper powder. Mix well. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of the chicken stock in which I had boiled the chicken liver earlier. Mix well. Now we'll add our cold cuts, our cashew nuts, our raisins and our chopped potatoes which we had fried separately. Mix well. Now last, add your lime juice and mix well. Your filling is now ready. Grease your tin with some butter. If you have kept your chicken in the fridge for 24 hours like I have done, you have to remove it from the fridge 2 to 3 hours earlier and let it be at room temperature before it goes in the oven. Apply some butter on the outer part of the chicken and also inside the chicken stomach. This is done in order to keep the chicken moist. Now once your filling has cooled down completely, we will add it inside the chicken stomach. Once the filling is all done, we will seal it with the help of some toothpick and bake it in the oven at 200 degrees for 1 hour 10 minutes. After 25 minutes, we'll remove the chicken from the oven and all the juices which are there in the tin will pour on the chicken evenly. This is done to keep the chicken moist. We will place the chicken back in the oven and after a total of 1 hour 10 minutes, our chicken is finally done. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel and leave your valuable comments below. Until we meet again, goodbye.